Someone asked this question: where does a relay get its DC supply when operating an AC load? To answer this, we need to understand what a relay is and how it works. A relay is an electromechanical switch which has a coil inside, and the coil in turn controls or switch on and off the contact. So how does it do that? It's simply by energizing the coil of the relay with a DC voltage. I know you might be thinking, what are contacts and how do we identify them? Basically, a relay has 5 terminals which can be grouped into 2 separate circuits. 2 terminals are for DC voltage supply to the coil to create magnetic action, while the remaining terminals are for actual load control. Although the coil controls the contact, there is no actual electrical connection between the coil and the contact. Usually, the common terminal lies between the 2 terminals of the relay coil. There are a few things to clarify about a relay. First, a relay does not have a polarity, so the coil can assume negative or positive, or depending on how you want to configured. Second, a relay is rated based on the coil voltage. One last thing, the relay coil can be energized from a battery source DC or any dedicated DC power supply. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.